Hey, my name is Landon with Strictly Apple, and today we're going to go over exactly how to send in your device for repair to us. A lot of times people have devices that are sitting on the shelf at home that they were once told is unrepairable, but that's a lie. We get devices in every single day that were once deemed unrepairable, and we are able to fix them. The system we have set up allows you to send your device in with our prepaid shipping label so that you know it will get here safe. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is go to strictlyapple.org. Once our website loads, then you want to go over to Forms and tap on Repair Forms. You'll also see under the Forms tab where you can submit a warranty claim or you can sell your device to us. But for this video, we're going to click on Repair Form. Click on Online Shipping Repair. Next, you want to click on Shipping Repair Form and then select the device that you are sending in. For this one, we're going to select MacBook Pro. You are then going to want to fill out all of your information so that we can contact you properly. You also want to make sure you put the correct address in because this is the address that we'll use to ship your device back to you. Once all the information is filled out, you can click Next. This next page is going to be our terms and conditions. You can click on this hyperlink right here to give you a separate page of all of our terms, conditions, and shipping instructions. Once you read over them and agree, please check this box and then you can do your signature right here. Click Next. The next step is to tell us why you are sending in your device. Please be as thorough as possible. Now we need the screen code to your device. We use this so we can properly test your device and make sure that what we do to your device actually works. Now you want to select the shipping. We use UPS Ground, and it's a normal package. Then you click Next. Your form has successfully been submitted. Now you are going to receive instructions on how to ship in your package and also a ticket label and a shipping label. Let's check out the ticket label. The ticket number in the top right corner is very important. This will attach your device to the profile you've created. Make sure you print this off and put it inside of the packaging when you ship your device in. Now let's download the shipping label. This label is a prepaid shipping label that you can put on your packaging when you send it in at UPS. You will not be charged for sending in your device. We pay the upfront shipping cost. Be sure to use this tracking number so you know when your device has been delivered to us. After you've downloaded and printed off the ticket label and the shipping label, you want to follow these simple instructions. Make sure you properly package your device. This may mean using extra bubble wrap or cushion on the inside so your device does not get damaged on the shipping in. You want to make sure you take that ticket label that you printed off and put it inside the packaging, or if it's a MacBook, put it inside the computer and close the lid. This makes it much easier for us to recognize who the computer belongs to once we open the box. Once the device is properly packaged and closed inside the box, you want to take that prepaid shipping label and tape it to your box. You'll then need to drop your package off at UPS. Once we receive the package in 3 to 4 days, we will contact you via email letting you know that we have received your package. Once we have emailed you, it will be 1 to 2 business days after that you will receive a phone call to let you know what's actually going on with your device. We will let you know the issue and cost associated with repairing your device. If you decide that you do not want to have your device repaired, all you have to pay for is a $49 diagnostic and shipping that comes back to you, which is a $25 flat fee. If you decide that you want to go ahead with the repair, you will have to pay for the cost up front. Once we receive the funds for that, that gives us the okay to actually repair your device. All repairs do come with a 1-year non-accidental warranty. So if we replace your battery and within 12 months it goes bad again, we will replace it with our shipping labels at no cost to you. You can also send in multiple devices at once, but you would need to create a new ticket for each device, meaning you would have to fill out the form more than once. We will make sure to keep all of this under the same profile so you can always look back in years to come to see what you had done with your device. We have tried to make this process as simple as possible so you can ship in your device from anywhere in the US and we will take care of the rest. So I hope this helps and we look forward to repairing your device here soon. Make sure you follow us on social media so you can stay up to date with deals, repairs, and new techniques that you can use in the future.